Hi guys, Cornish Aaron here. Sorry about last week. Didn't get to post any videos. I was tied up literally all week. Me and the missus had decided we were going to rip up the carpet downstairs and in the landing. And all the underlay had to come up, the skirting boards, everything, because what we were going to go for was a laminate flooring. And how good is it? It feels nice, it's got a good vibe to the room. It just made the rooms look so much bigger and completely different. Literally as if we'd moved house. And the choice of colour we went for, Alice had picked, can't fault it. I really like it. So that is why, guys, I didn't post any videos last week. So what I'm going to do is just show you a little bit by step with a little short video of how we done it. And how we done it. It was just, it was pretty simple. So guys, please like the video, subscribe and give it a like. Guys, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Ciao.